ladies, we're talking about the 7 business bank accounts that you need to have set up in order to succeed. And I'm gonna also let you know about the money management system that I use, but 7 business bank accounts that you need to make sure that you have set up for your business. Now, why 7? Because we want to make sure that you have different buckets to put all of your money into. So every time you have money coming into your account, into your income account, then you can transfer certain percentages to all of the other accounts. So if you're in Australia, you need to have your income account, and then the next is your GST account, because straight away, every dollar that we earn, 10% of that goes to GST. So you've got your income account, your GST account. Then you've got your cost of goods sold. So for me, this is subcontractors. My service is providing staff in the Philippines. We have a lot of subcontractor costs. So that's my cost of goods sold. Next, after cost of goods sold, you have your profit account. And no one plans for profit, but you can't make profit, or it's very hard to make profit if you don't plan to make profit. So you allocate a certain percentage to your profit account every time you have a big lump of money coming in to your bank. Next, you have your owner's compensation. You deserve to be compensated before you have to pay your bills, before you have to pay any of your expenses or your staff, you as the business owner, because it's your business. You're the one that's losing sleep. You're the one that's working day and night to have this business. And so you deserve to be paid before anybody else. Next, you have your income tax account. So in Australia and in most countries around the world, you have to pay income tax, which, as frustrating as it is, you just have to pay it. So we allocate a certain percentage away for income tax every week so that you, when it gets to tax time, you actually have enough money to pay your tax. Next, you have your operating expenses. So every single expense that you have to operate your business, which includes staff, is going to go into the operating expenses account. Now, for me, because I have so many subcontractors overseas in the Philippines, that's actually my cost of goods sold. But for you, you might provide a service, you might sell products, whatever it is. So your staff costs will come under operating expenses. So you can have a specific sub account for your internal team and for your employees. I do as well. So I have operating expenses. Then I also have my internal team account. And so I allocate a certain percentage every time I'm doing my money transferring. I allocate a certain percentage to my internal team account. And that way I know that every time I need to pay my internal team, I'm going to have enough money sitting there. And that includes their tax and super if they are Australian employees. So why do we have so many accounts? Well, it's because I use the Profit First money management system. The great thing about this Profit First money management system is that it lays it all out for you in a book. So download Profit First by Mike McCalloway. If you haven't heard of it before, it absolutely saved my business. I was not somebody that was confident with money management. I was not somebody that had very good financial literacy or very good money management skills. And this system and framework absolutely saved me. And now I feel so confident with money, and I have excess amounts of money when I have to pay my tax and my super and my staff and all of that sort of stuff, thanks to Profit First. So if you are struggling with money management, please go ahead and download Profit First. It will absolutely change the game for you. It was a game changer for me, and I know it will be for you too. And if you have any questions, pop them in the comments, because I love talking about money management and I love talking about Profit First. Bye.